Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. I am in a new setup. There's a lot of clothes over this side, there's a lot of stuff over that side. But I thought while I fix this room, I will give you some life update because I was planning to do this video I think over a week back, and I tore a ligament in my leg. I was on bed rest and then I had to attend a wedding yesterday, so I had to shoot my first video in this room yesterday. But I thought, let me just give you an update in this video, so probably this one will go before then that video. Yeah, so that's what we are here to do about. If you are new on my channel, my name is Saher and I make videos on beauty, makeup, travel, lifestyle, pretty much everything, so you have something to entertain yourself all the while, so there's no boring content on this channel. So yes, I have put my phone on charging, the other phone is also on charging, so this is the only angle I could make do with. Also my ring lights have to be set up, लगा दिए हैं, plug in point इसके पीछे है और इधर है, तो इसके पीछे वाला I will be using because वो तो background में नहीं दिखेगा, otherwise ये वाला background में दिखेगा, so you know I'll be using that one. And I need to buy the what is it called as the box, the connection box, the extra plug-in box that I have to buy. I don't know, the word is just skipped out of my mind. So any which ways, enough of rambling. I will show you around this room, but before that let me give you an update. So this is not the house that I was in Bangalore. This is not the house that I was in Mysore as well. The big update, I have moved cities. I have moved from Bangalore officially as of now and shifted to Mysore. So this is not my parents' place, nor this is my in-laws' place. We have rented a house here in Mysore and it is an independent house, 3-bedroom house. So that's the biggest update, and that is why I was quite busy. The shifting to Mysore part was all of a sudden. It was not planned, but we had it in the back of our mind that eventually by next year we might shift to Mysore because we were mostly in Mysore and hardly in Bangalore, so that's the thing. But we found a house. We were not looking to move into an apartment because we've been in an apartments for over 10 years and we were so done with it, so we wanted to move to an independent house. In Bangalore में ये possibility तो है ही नहीं, तो वैसे भी हमारा प्लान था कि बाय नेक्स्ट ईयर हम लोग मैसूर मूव करेंगे, एंड अगर हम मैसूर मूव करेंगे तो इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस ही मूव करेंगे. और हमने आई थिंक 4 मंथ्स पहले ऐसे ही जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द हाउसिंग मार्केट ओवर हियर इज़, द रेंटिंग मार्केट ओवर हियर इज़, तो हमने ट्राई करा था. बट प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ कि यहाँ पे भी सारे जो हाउसेस इंडिपेंडेंट हाउसेस हैं वो बिल्डर फ्लोर्स हैं, मीनिंग ओनर्स नीचे हैं एंड ऊपर मतलब फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर ऐसे घर बना दिए एंड दे कॉलिंग इट एज इंडिपेंडेंट हाउसेस. लाइक प्रॉपर खुद का पूरा घर यहाँ पे भी अवेलेबल नहीं है क्योंकि ओनर्स आर नॉट मूविंग, एंड इफ ओनर्स आर मूविंग आउट ऑफ द हाउसेस इट्स ओनली टू बिल्ड अपार्टमेंट. सो द अपार्टमेंट कल्चर ऑल्सो हैज स्टार्टेड really badly in Mysore. So when we saw this property was available, it all happened all of a sudden. My husband was just on and off checking all these websites and just half an hour before ये घर का posting डाला था, and my husband just like ran. And but yeah, there is a lot of things to be done to this house still. There are the basic bones are all fine, but there are small things that have to be done, so that's why I will not give you a house tour, but I will show you the room around. And right now what I am trying to do is I am trying to build this one up, and I thought I will give you an update as well. ऐसे ही and show you around my new studio room. So you have to ignore this because after shifting we had to wash tons of clothes because यहाँ से वहाँ धूल में they all got messy. So that's the update. So let me just start fixing this, and I wish I could show you on time lapse, but my tripod is not allowing me to do that. So I guess you will have to make do with me, I suppose, or we can let me just see what I can figure out. Okay, this is the maximum I'm able to go low, and I am going to put you on fast forward and you can check it out. Don't have to see my face, but see everything else. Okay, I also have to sit and shoot videos, and my tripod is kaput. रिंग लाइट इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. दिन में यहाँ पे बहुत कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है तो मैं शूट भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. दिस इज़ माई अटेम्प्ट 104 टू शूट. समथिंग और द अदर हैपन्स इन द बैकग्राउंड. देयर आर 3 to 4 houses constructing around the area. And just for your information, okay, अज़ान जाने दो, उसके बाद बात करेंगे.
नहीं
I think so.
नहीं, रुको ऐसा ऐसा एक सेकेंड और तो देखेंगे ऊपर.
Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder.
you're putting it wrong. नहीं, ये उल्टा बैठना है.
नहीं, that was the right way. Last time it was not.
रुको बाबा. नहीं क्यों ऐसा है so specifically. हाँ. पकड़ जाए हीरोइन. ये कि ना.
मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो मैं कर पाऊँ.
कंस्ट्रक्शन में गई का तो फेल ही चला. बिल्डिंग के नीचे गिर जाना.
मैं करियाच नहीं हुआ वैसा स्ट्रेस. ये उठा दो. तो ये कौन
Wait, not now. Wait, wait, wait.
कुछ नहीं.
चलो कैसे?
अभी नहीं.
हाँ, हम लोग लास्ट.
उठा.
चलो. अभी ठीक है. Don't put it. Don't put it. It's gonna fall.
वो के अंदर कर दो. कितना मतलब नहीं.
चलो, अभी चलो.
कुछ listen, Jana, what if we move the column and then keep it short? Guys, this is how my new room currently looks like. I have to make a haul video of everything that I purchased from Eid. Yes, Eid is over. मैं ये outro ले रही हूँ because मैं अभी editing में देख रही थी कि outro नहीं है. यहाँ पे एक stand है, इसमें भी शो पीसेस रखनी है. टोटली लाइक पूरा जो एंड रिज़ल्ट होगा वो मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी. कर्टन्स लगने हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट फ़िलहाल के लिए दिस इज़ हाउ माई स्टूडियो रूम लुक्स लाइक. एंड अभी मैं बैक टू बैक वीडियोस फिल्म कर रही थी, एडिटिंग भी फिनिश कर रही थी. तो मैंने देखा कि आउटरो तो शूट हुआ ही नहीं, तो सोचा कि आउटरो शूट कर लेते हैं एंड आपको रूम भी दिखा देते हैं कि कैसा है. एंड विद दैट आई विल एंड द व्लॉग ओवर हियर. इग्नोर माई शर्ट. या सो एंड द व्लॉग ओवर हियर. आई विल सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट वन. टिल देन यू गाइज टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ.